Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to do some do-it-yourself home crafts. My bathroom towel holder was broken. This is my creative way to fix it. This picture, you're looking at the final product. Here is how the wall started. First, you're going to need a small, thin piece of wood. And then you're also going to need some paint and something to paint with. I picked gray out for my bathroom. Also, you want to make sure that you have something to paint on. I use old newspaper. This way you don't ruin any furniture. I use these kind of sponges. They're super cheap, and then either I rinse them and use them again, or I throw them away. I also mix those two gray colors together to get this color. And you want to just make sure you keep painting over the entire piece of wood. And if you'd like, you can also do 2 coats of paint. Once you're finished painting, you're going to want to let it dry. I let it dry overnight so that I make sure it is completely dry. And before I do that, I put something underneath the wood so that it doesn't adhere to whatever you're painting on. Once it's dry the next day, then you're going to take it and place it onto the wall where you would like it. So you can see there that the left nail is already in. I did that before. So I am going to now take a nail on the right hand side and I'm going to nail that into the wall, making sure that the piece of wood and the nail go into the wall. Also, if you're a perfectionist and you want to make sure it's level, you could use a level, but sometimes we just don't have time for that. So here I am eyeballing it. Next, you're going to take your towel holder, and I know all towel holders are different, but mine has this little piece inside it, and then how you're going to get it out is you're going to unscrew the little screw on the outside and get that little piece inside it. That little piece is what you're going to use to put the nails in. So taking that little piece, you're putting it up against the wall and draw where you would like the nails to go. And I draw with a pencil. Next, taking the nails, I like to nail them into the wall, or you can use the screws that you're going to use. This way, the screws have a little bit of space to go into once you're ready to screw. In this case, I'm using nails, so once I hammer them in, I am going to have to take them out. Next, I'm going to take that little piece that I need to use in order to get the towel holder onto the wood, and taking a screw gun, I am going to screw the screws all the way into the wood and the wall. Next, here I am taking my towel holder, and I have to make sure I can match it up with that little piece that we just put on the wood. Once that is finished, I will put the little screw back in and screw it back into the towel holder. And you want to just feel it to make sure that it's nice and tight on there. And there you go, that's it. Your towel holder is now finished and you can place your towel on the towel holder. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time.